In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay in full with PayPal on Stockx 2025, step by step. If you want to split a Stockx purchase into 4 manageable payments, PayPal's Pay in 4 can be a simple way to do it when it's available in your region and for your order total. Here's how the full checkout flow works, along with a few tips to make it smooth. Start by opening your browser and going to stockx.com. Sign in to your account so your saved address and preferences load correctly. It helps if the shipping address in your Stockx account matches the primary address in your PayPal wallet, since that consistency can prevent verification hiccups. Browse to the item you want, and on the product page, choose Buy Now. This locks in the current lowest ask rather than placing a bid, which is important if you plan to pay immediately through PayPal. Double check details like size, condition, and any seller notes so you don't run into issues later. Proceed to checkout and review the full breakdown, including processing fees, shipping, and taxes. When you get to the payment section, select PayPal as your payment method. You'll be redirected to PayPal to authenticate. Log into your PayPal account as you normally would. Eligibility for Pay in 4 is determined by PayPal based on factors like your account history, location, and order total. If the purchase qualifies, you'll see the Pay in 4 option on the PayPal screen. Choose Pay in 4 and review the schedule. You'll typically pay the first installment today, followed by 3 automatic payments on the dates shown. Make sure the funding source in your PayPal wallet has enough available balance or credit to cover the down payment and upcoming installments. If you don't see Pay in 4, it usually means the order doesn't meet PayPal's criteria for that plan, and you can either use another method or try a different item total. After selecting Pay in 4, confirm within PayPal to return to Stockx. Back on the Stockx confirmation page, take a final look at your delivery address, item details, and total. When everything looks right, confirm the payment. Your first installment is charged immediately, and the remaining payments will be billed automatically by PayPal on the displayed schedule. Once the order is placed, Stockx will notify the seller to ship the item to authentication. You can track progress in your Stockx account. Keep in mind that Stockx orders are generally final, and any cancellations or refunds are handled under Stockx policies. If a refund occurs, PayPal will adjust your Pay in 4 plan accordingly. That's it. Simple, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy checking out.